Welcome back to my channel. I am here with another video. So for today's video I have decided to do with you what's in my bag, and I personally like watching these kind of videos and I find them very interesting, so that's why I decided to do it. So without further ado, let's get into them. Okay, so guys, I have my bag here with me. This is my bag and it is like a bucket purse or sling bag, you can call it, yeah. And I got this bag actually long back from the store West Side here in Bhopal, and I actually love this bag a lot. I think you could probably tell that it is decent size and it has about 3 sections and 1 pocket, which does the job for me because I like to carry actually a lot of stuff in my bag, yeah. So pretty much it carries everything. And I just love the fact that it is black in color because I really feel that black completely goes with everything, with every outfit, with every look. And it also has a golden detailing on it, which I love. And this bag is actually from brand LOV. I think it's a brand of West Side only, and it costed me around 1800 rupees. It was actually on sale and it was originally priced at 3000, but because of the sale I got it in a very decent price and I really liked it. So let's see what's inside my bag. Okay, so the first thing which I see here is my case of glasses. I actually wear numbered glasses, but I am very sure this is my sunglasses case, yeah, as I was right. So I keep my sunglasses in these and it's a very nice case and it just fits perfectly in my bag, so there's that. Okay, the next thing which I see here is my journal. So I don't know why I'm that kind of person who loves carrying a journal or a notebook or anything to keep in the purse or keep it handy, because I just like planning on things and I also write. So whenever, you know, I'm just traveling or something, I randomly get ideas, so I jot them down in my notebook, and this is also my planner. So I plan a lot of YouTube videos or anything, whatever is happening in my life. I love to plan inside this notebook, so I like to keep it handy, and that's why it's in my bag. My bag actually carries a lot of stuff, so wait to see what's inside it. Okay, so the next thing is my wallet. Definitely this wallet is actually one of my favorite purchases yet. I got this from Miniso, Delhi, and it is a very decent size wallet, and it is actually, I'm very sure it looks white in the camera, but it is actually baby pink color, and I don't remember the cost of it. It comes handy and it is a very decent size. It fits in every bag, every small bag or sling bag or whatever. It is just perfect and I love it. So yeah, of course we need a wallet in the bag, right? So okay, so this is my half eaten yoga bar, and I don't know, I'm obsessed with these yoga bars. I'm sure you might have tried it already, and if you haven't, you can definitely check it out. I'll put it in the link down below. So they come in the pack of 6 or 12, I don't remember. I got it from Amazon and they are of different flavors. So this one is blueberry pie, and I don't remember the last time I was eating it, but yeah, I did, and that's why it's in my purse, and it's really delicious. So if you want, you can go and get it for yourself. Okay, so the next thing which I have here is my book. The book I have not yet started reading, but I'm gonna read it, and it is You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero. I don't know how to pronounce that, so please never mind. And this is a book which I got from Amazon itself last month, I guess. I have to read it, that's why it's in my bag, because I carry it everywhere I go. So yeah, there's that. Okay, and the next thing which I have here is Johnson's baby cream. Okay, are you like one of that kind who still uses Johnson's baby? Because I really do, and I personally really like it because it just makes my skin feel very smooth and soft, and that's why I keep it handy. I also apply it as a body lotion. So kudos to you guys, whoever still use Johnson's baby even when they're 20 years old. That's great. The next thing is earphones. We all need earphones. And the next thing which I have here is my phone. I mean, phone is a necessity. It's always in my bag. I mean, who doesn't carry phones? Let's be honest. The next thing I have is a comb. Okay, so I don't know why all my friends are actually dependent on me for combs. Like in real life, you know, nobody carries comb anywhere, but I do. Like even if I'm going to the supermarket, there will be a comb in my gadi. Like this happens, or in my purse, and that's why I always have a comb everywhere. Literally, I have one in my car, I have one in my scooty, I have one in my bag, in my school, I mean college bag, everywhere, just in my laptop bag. Can you imagine? I do that. I'm obsessed with combs. I don't know why. Okay, that's really weird obsessions, guys. Please don't mind. The next thing is here some Tic Tacs, because we all love mints, right? I mean, this is not mint, this is cherry cola flavor, and I really like this flavor. I have tried it personally and it is really good. So yeah. One hair tie. Ayushi has one hair tie. That's weird because I carry 3 at least, because I always lose them. Okay. Then I have here one of my favorite perfume, and this is Versace's Yellow Diamond collection. My god, guys, I'm so obsessed with this perfume, and the best thing is that it is a pocket size one. I have a pocket size one. I have it in the pink colored bottle as well. I don't know which scent or smell it is, but this is very handy. I love carrying it everywhere I go, and the fragrance of it is very mild and very fruity, and I don't know, for some reason I'm too much obsessed with fruity smells. So yeah, there's that. And then okay, so now I can show you my bag clearly. Okay, so these are the 2 pockets which I have, and this is the right middle one. So I like to carry my, you know, cosmetics or care products and everything in the middle pocket. So I'm just going to show you that. Okay, so the first thing which I have here is a tampon. Necessity, girls, you know it. I've just recently started using tampons, but yeah, they're pretty good. Okay, another thing which I have here, which is a must for me, Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Serum, and I started using this like last month, and it's a really nice product, I would say. It is little pricey, of course, because it is by Lakme Absolute, and I mean, I won't say that I would give it 10 out of 10. I will just say that it works for me whenever my face is dull and I want it to be, you know, little rejuvenated. So I use this and it just makes it amazing. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing which I have is here is my sanitizer. I'm obsessed with sanitizer as well. Every bag has at least 1 or 2 sanitizers. Like, I don't get it. It's like, are you guys obsessed with sanitizers too? Like, I have a lot of friends who are, so it might be a weird obsession, but it is what it is, right? Moving on, here some cosmetics and a lip balm. I think that's all I have. Okay, so this is a lip balm, and this is by Fab India Lip Butter. Pretty good. It's vanilla flavored, and I don't know about the job it does, but it tastes really good. There's that, so never mind. Okay, and moving on, this is a lipstick. This is by Maybelline. So I have this weird tendency. I like to carry 2 lipsticks in my bag. One is of the pinkish shade and another one is of reddish shade, because sometimes I usually wear reds more than pinks, definitely, but I don't know, I just like carrying it and mixing and matching it with the outfit. So I always have one red and one pink with me always. Moving on, I always carry this product with me. This is by Maybelline's Fashion Brow, and as I said, I'm obsessed with doing my brows. I cannot go one day without doing my brows, so I always keep it handy, and this product is worth it, guys. It is just like 200 rupees or so, and it has been working for, like, I have been using this for almost a year now, and it's wonderful. So if you're looking for a good brow shaper and filler, then you should go and check this out. I have my usual Maybelline's Colossal Kajal, and the last thing I have here is a flash drive. I don't know why and what it is doing in my bag, but it is there, and probably I might be using it the last time I was using this bag. So yeah, there's that. And yeah, so that is all I have in my bag. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. ग्रेट. मेरी मम्मी आके फोटो बॉम्ब तो करेंगी ना. That's why it's in my